Dear scholars, today we want to discuss Corpus, Thy Name is Knowledge Discovery. Basically, this lecture was delivered in an international symposium, and now I want to share with you. We can read word by word, and we are able to decipher meanings. That is called close reading. While we can read easily word by word and we can understand, why is there need to use different types of digital tools and use distant reading? Distant reading means to use different data visualization and text mining tools to study big databases. That is called distant reading. A research paper was written what to do with 1,000,000 books, and its answer was given by Franco Moriti, and he has written the book Distant Reading. It's a new type of knowledge that we can read large databases of books, or rather millions of books, and we can extract knowledge patterns which can be displayed in different forms. In the contemporary era, we are observing big data and databases, and human life is so limited and human potential is so uh, limited that human beings cannot read all such big databases. So knowledge patterns can be easily extracted from big databases or millions of books in a very short time. Josephine Miles at Berkeley University, she is the pioneer of such digital humanities studies. And in Europe, Roberto Busa, who has worked on Thomas Aquinas and with the help of IBM. Firstly, he started the work on concordance manually, but later on he took help from IBM. And he is also called father of digital humanities. But my personal readings show that Josephine Miles is the pioneer of digital humanities and not Roberto Busa. Corpus is the collection of digitized text. And why do we use corpus? Because we want to analyze and compute patterns of linguistic form and meaning. So qualitative and quantitative linguistic analysis can be done easily with corpus tools. Two approaches are followed: corpus based and corpus driven. Corpus based and corpus driven, they are different from each other. In corpus based, we take one word. Suppose we want to take the word Lahore, and we explore 12 corpus of 12 books of Paradise Lost by Milton. And we find that in 11th book, he has mentioned Lahore. So this is corpus based study. Corpus driven means we don't have any supposition. We just take one corpus, suppose a movie corpus, and we try to explore it, and we find different types of emotions which have been manifested in that corpus. There are different types of corpus. There is a monitor corpus, which is updated on daily basis. There is parallel corpus, and it's a translation of one work. Suppose Edward Said's books, they are they have been translated in different languages. Sheikh Sadi's fables, they have also been translated in different languages, so they are parallel corpora. Comparable corpus: one corpus can be compared with other one. Diachronic. Diachronic mean a period study has been mentioned. Like corpus of contemporary American English is the diachronic corpus. Specialized corpus, when we have a particular purpose and we build a specialized corpus to fulfill our needs. Multimedia corpus, that multimedia studies can be done. Representative or balanced corpus. Suppose 1 million spoken and 1 million written texts have been taken, and that is called balanced corpus. Okay. Many students from humanities face the issue that they don't know the names of different files. Different tools want different types of files, so they are stuck here. They do not proceed further, and because they do not know about these files. The solution is very easy. This is free online file converter. Red lines show the name of the tool, and the blue colored underlined text shows its link. You will just go over there. If there is any type of file, text file, Word, PDF, EPUB, CSV, JSON, Excel, MP3, HTML, one file can be converted into another format freely and easily. Just read the manual of your tool, and if it demands a particular type of file, suppose endconc requires text file, and you have a Word file or PDF file, just change your PDF file into text file quite easily. This picture elucidates my point of view that corpus is the mud. Linguist is the potter who designs different pottery items. And corpus tool, this is the, in Urdu, in Romanized, we call it chalk. And this is a machine on which he makes different types of pottery items or utensils. So corpus is required, linguist and corpus tool is required. Obviously, there is a mindset, there is a research question. Web link corpora. First of all, you should get help from the ready-made corpora. Here, englishcorpora.org, here 19 corpora are present. So ready-made corpora are present, just use them. Some other corpora have also been given here, and its link is present in this slide. And Professor Mark Davies at Brigham Young University, Utah State, he has built all these corpora. There are free databases. There are millions of corpora. You can access them easily. You can download them. Mendeley data, Google dataset, UCI library, Europe data, and Kaggle. There are, may God give you Hazrat Noor's life, 1000 years, and you write 3 research papers in one day. Even then, these corpora will never finish. Traditional corpus tool. Now we come to the tools. Endconc, Wordsmith tools, Sketch Engine, and Lanxbox. These are the traditional corpus tools. But I want to lead you to advanced level tools. As I mentioned earlier, knowledge discovery theory. Most of the corpus practitioners, they claim that there is no need of any theory, but my point of view is different, that theory should be applied. One theory is a knowledge discovery theory, and it was propounded by Rakesh Agrawal, a key scientist at Microsoft. In active data mining paradigm, rules are discovered. We describe the constructs for defining shapes and discuss how the shape predicates are used in a query construct. Knowledge discovery in database process was a set of various activities for making sense of data. The extraction of implicit, previously unknown, and potentially useful information from data. This is knowledge discovery theory and its three different dimensions. The relationship of literature and corpus. There is Z Library, Gutenberg Project, and Hathi Trust. So corpora can be taken from these sources. And this source, Voyant tools, you can use Shakespeare's complete works corpus, and Jane Austen's complete work corpus can be taken. Corpus application in language. Themes, phrases, collocation, colligation, construction, knowledge graphs, corpus summary, word sense disambiguation, genre analysis, they can be done with the help of Voyant tools. Voyant tools were designed by Stephen Sinclair and Jeffrey Rockwell in Canada. Post tagger tool, parts of speech tagger tool. You just paste the text and it will show its all parts of speech. Hedges can be found, difference between simile and verb, stylistic analysis, forensic analysis, coinage of new words, lexicon are built on the basis of a corpus. Oxford and Cambridge dictionaries have a sticker and it shows that it's a corpus based dictionary. Language change and shift, register and semantic change, interjections. You are familiar with the word gulu, and gulu word was spoken frequently during Pat sit-in by Tahirul Qadri Sahib, and afterwards this word was included in Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, that a person who creates violence in the society, and that person was supported by the government. Knowledge discovery in culture. There is Google Ngram viewer, and there are millions of books database, and we can find out different cultural shades regarding owl, dog, and monkey, comparison of different cultures, sports, travel, religion, education, military terms, and their usage in different uh, time zones. Swearing terms, kinship terminologies, feelings about nationalities, religions, behaviors with LGBT in different cultures, like transgenders and bisexuals, people and gays, lesbians, how they are behaved in different societies. Text mining, Voyant, Gephi, Orange, these tools help us to do text mining process. Voyant is a suite of 19 text mining tools, and all of them are open shelf free tools. There is a very interesting tool, text to data. It shows the sentiments of the text, positive, negative, or neutral sentiments are shown with the help of this tool. Image mining, 3D. This is a book, 3D data creation to curation. And on left side you can see three different palaces in Bahawalpur, Sadiggarh Palace and Noor Mahal Palace. 3D modeling, 3D printing. 3D printing facility is available in Islamabad in G11. So images can be studied with the tool Atlas TI tool. Image mining can be done. Some scholars believe that only text is the corpus, but I want to expand the boundaries and corners of this domain, that images, audio, video, all of them are corpus. Audio mining and phonetics. Dialectological studies can be done with the help of Praat tool, and Praat tool shows uh, different acoustic features. Phonetic and phonological features can be studied with the help of Praat tool. Video mining. This book, Qualitative Analysis using Atlas TI, and Atlas TI tool is so versatile that audio, video, image, social media, and qualitative data can be mined with the help of this tool. You can choose free trial, just register yourself, then select new project and upload documents and analysis and share and export your findings. Geospatial data mining. If you look at this picture has been taken from Freegate, and if you use instant street view, you can see the pictures. Geospatial data can be used for different purposes. Marketing is done with the help of geospatial data, and even forensic studies are done through geospatial data. Blender GIS and ArcGIS. These tools facilitate in geospatial data mining studies. Social media, everybody spends some time on social media, and a SocialSeacher tool is a free tool. It was designed by a Russian technologist, and with the help of this tool, we can find out themes and links, keywords, and if we just write the name of a politician, we can find out all positive, negative, and neutral sentiments about that politician at runtime, and it can extract data from 12 different social media platforms. So it is very useful for social media analysts, TV anchors, and researchers of social media. Knowledge discovery in Pakistani languages. E-library Punjab, data can be collected from here. REKHTA and SUFINAMA. SUFINAMA, mystic literature can be taken from here, and you will just use Voyant tools, and Voyant tools are equally useful, and it mines the data from Urdu, English, Punjabi, and even mixed language like English, Urdu language is mixed, even then it can analyze it. On the left side, you can look at the picture of Khaja Ghulam Farid. Khalkat jine di gole, hardam Farid de kole. And his tomb is at Mithankot, and this verse has been written over there. And his kafis in Saraiki and Punjabi, they can be mined and they can be accessed from this SUFINAMA. Museology and digital humanities, study of museums in digital manners. Thousands of virtual museums have been presented here. And on the left side, you can see postal data of Nawab Sadiq's posts and letters. And below it, you can see coins which were issued by the state of Bahawalpur. On right side, you can see the newspaper Sadiq Al-Akhbar. So museums and the things which are present over there, they can be studied with the help of these text mining tools. And virtual museums are there. So Pakistani learners can transform some galleries or some features of their physical museums into virtual museums. So please visit this link and find out virtual museums. Musicology and corpus. It is said that music is the soul of music, is the soul, and it gives aesthetic sense. So music data set, lyrics and its metadata from 1950 to 2019 is present here. Music data set is also present on Kaggle. You can use Poimage tool to study lyrics. Humanoid robotics and corpus. On the left side, you can see Amica tool. Then there is, Amica humanoid robot. Then there is a Sophia robot. Sophia robot is so lucky that it has got a nationality of Saudi Arabia and several other Middle East countries. And Emma AI robot. So robotics, and their languages, their interaction styles, their turn taking, and can be studied with the help of corpus and different corpus analytical tools. Quantum humanities. Richard Feynman is the founder of quantum computers. Quantum computers are a speed of light is 3 multiplied by 10 power 8 meter per second. So quantum computers are 8 times faster than normal computers. So just imagine there would be a revolution with the fastest speed. It can solve complex issues, and many variables and many databases can be mined quickly in seconds or other microseconds. And when I think about it, I really astonished that what would be the study and what would be the results. महवे हैरत हूं कि दुनिया क्या से क्या हो जाएगी. आंख जो कुछ देखती है लब पे आ सकता नहीं. महवे हैरत हूं कि दुनिया क्या से क्या हो जाएगी. That the world will transform with quantum computing. So you can access slides of this lecture from this link. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free to comment.